Hey you guys, this is Mrs. O with Kingdom Barbecue Catering Service and of course Kingdom Sweets Online. Today, as you can see, again, I am shooting this video by myself. Of course, my daughter, since she has a long holiday, had things to do. So instead of doing the brisket, I'm going to do orange sherbet ice cream cake. I thought about this since here in Texas, it's been like 99, 100 degrees. So I said, okay, let's do something to cool them off. And this is really simple. And you see, I'm showing you the cake batter because I had to do it beforehand because I'm not very good at doing it by myself. But what you're going to need is one 15.25 ounce of Orange Supreme cake mix. And you're going to follow the directions on the back as to what you need. 3 eggs, 1/3 cup of oil, which I use canola, and 1 cup of water. And also to this batter, I added 1/2 teaspoon of orange zest and 1/2 teaspoon of orange extract. And also make sure that you line your pans with parchment paper, and you want to split it into 3s because this is going to be an ice cream cake. So I'm going to bake it in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. Since the layers are so thin, I would say 20 to 22 minutes. So I'm going to put them in the oven. I'm going to come back and show you the done cakes. Stay connected. Okay, you guys, I am back, and it took approximately 22 minutes for these cakes to get done. All 3 of them. Okay, your next step is to let these cool completely. I'm going to say let them cool for about an hour. So when you touch the pan, you can keep your hand on it. And after you let them cool completely in the pan for about an hour, I want you to put them in the freezer. Leave them in the pan and put them in the freezer, even if you have to stack them on top of each other. And once you put them in the freezer, leave them in there also for about an hour. And once I've done this, I will come back and we'll go to rocking and putting the ice cream on the cakes. See you guys in a bit. Bye. I'm back again. Okay, so the cakes have been in the freezer for about an hour. So I've taken one cake out, and I want to show you guys, 1/2 gallon of Bluebell orange sherbet ice cream. And what I did, I put it into a bigger bowl. I put it into a bigger bowl, and I whipped it with the mixer to get a smooth consistency. So on the first layer, I've added the sherbet, and we're just going to spread it with an offset spatula. And I'm so sorry, I should have put something under here. The cake is just moving. Okay. You see how I'm just spreading the sherbet on the ice cream? You see how I'm spreading the sherbet on the cake? I am so sorry. And you see there's no meltage at all because the cake is really cold. Now the only thing with ice cream cakes, once you spread the ice cream, you have to put it back in the freezer for about 30 minutes, and then we can layer the other cake, because you don't want your ice cream melting at all. And also, when you start icing your cake with the ice cream, make sure you use a dish that you can freeze. So don't use any glass plates or anything, because it could break in the freezer. Okay, I want you to see, not a really good picture, sorry you guys, the orange sherbet that I have spread it all over the cake. And now I'm going to put it back in the freezer for about 30 minutes. So I'm going to come back, and once I come back, this is how you would do the next 2 layers. So when I come back again, this cake will be finished, and I'll show you the final product. Thank you. Okay, you guys, this is the finished product of the orange sherbet ice cream cake. And I want you to notice the white around the bottom. Let me show you what I did. I took 4 ounces of Cool Whip and a half a cup of the orange sherbet, and I mixed it together to give it, here is the Cool Whip that I mixed with the orange sherbet. And what I did, I just put it around the edges and finished the last layer, of course, with the sherbet ice cream. And remember, you guys, once you stack each layer with ice cream, you have to put it back in the freezer for 30 minutes and then do your last one and put it back in for 30 minutes, and then you can do the Cool Whip around it. I think it came out pretty nice. And guys, I am so sorry. Again, this is for an event tomorrow, but I promise I will come back once it is cut and show you guys the inside. Again, this is the orange sherbet ice cream cake. Hope everyone have a blessed Memorial Day. And even when we celebrate, remember what the day is for the people that lost their lives so we could have our freedom. God bless you. Stay connected until next week.